Have you ever looked closely inside an Allen bolt? There is a small detail most people never notice. Inside the hex socket, the bottom edges are not sharp. There is a very small chamfer or radius at the base. This is not a defect. This is an intentional design feature. First reason is tool seating. The Allen key is designed to contact the side faces of the socket, not the bottom. The small clearance prevents the key from bottoming out and ensures proper engagement. Second reason is manufacturing. Allen bolt sockets are made by broaching or cold forming. In these processes, creating a perfectly sharp internal corner is impractical and unnecessary. Third reason is torque reliability. Proper seating on flat faces gives accurate torque transfer and reduces damage to both the tool and the socket. This tiny radius may look insignificant, but it plays a critical role in performance and durability. Small detail, important function, that's real mechanical design.